So these are the front legs that go onto the headboard, and they just screw in with two of the C, and everything is well marked on the bags, which is really nice. And it looks like the size is a 5mm. Super simple. So I'll just keep on going through and adding things as they tell me to do. Now it's time for number 5. Number B. Make sure that it goes correctly. And that takes an A. And the A is the one that has a lot. So these ones here, again, are the number 2s. Letter A's. And they just screw in just slightly, about 50%, because you will be attaching things to them later. Hi. Alright, so this is number 4. And again, these ones here are the letter A screws, and you just screw them in, again, 50% around all 6 sides. All right, we have 12 and 13, and they go together as your back leg. And it just screws together. And then all of these are going to be using the A's again. Like I said, are the small ones. And we have an 8 in the middle, a 12. This is the 8. This is the 12. It goes here. And then this is the 11 that goes over there. So I'll go ahead and put that all together. I'm finishing up the sides, just like I did the other side. Alright, so this is the reason why you only do them 50%. It's because these just slide in like that. And then once you get them in, you take them. Alright, to the other side. Alright, 2 B's. And then the little ones also get B's. They seem like they have pretty high quality products. Alright, so these are the slats that go down, and they actually Velcro onto the ends. And the way I'm doing it is I'm putting one end on each end and then stretching it and putting it down for each one, instead of trying to put them all together at once. There you go. Gotta get my leg out of there. Alright. And now she's on.
Now we just need the box spring and the mattress and we're good to go.
Yep. So there you go, all set together. Seems pretty sturdy. It doesn't have an edge for your box spring. So if you're looking for something like that, make sure you understand that. So it just basically sits on top of the edge.
It's a very tiny lip there.
Yeah, so.
Alright.
There you go. Box bed frame all set up.
You like it, Tasha?